Exactly an S3 page looks like once your account creation is all successful. Once you get your page, this is how exactly it looks like. A quick couple of notes or comments. There is a region concept. That means wherever you are going to deploy your EC2 instance, which is nothing but your compute instance, or a storage, you can pick one among these regions and region, maybe I'll separately create a small video about the region concept so that you're clear about it. But understand right now there are close to 30 different regions. One region is Mumbai. There is another region in India which is in Hyderabad. There are two regions in India. In US there are around maybe close to 10 to 15 regions. In Australia, in Singapore, multiple different places, there are multiple different regions. That's how exactly you may have to treat it. So right now, what we are planning to do is I'm going to switch from any region to any region. For example, the moment I make a click over here, I reach in North Virginia. That's the region where I am in, right? Now, if I wanted to switch back to Mumbai, one click, I'm in Mumbai. So you should be very careful about which region are you choosing because the services that you're going to create inside it will be based on that. So in case if you wanted to create an S3 bucket, you should be very careful. First and foremost, you need to pick the region and then you need to create all the S3 buckets, right? Or whatever, right? So now where do I see all the services? Good, this hamburger or hamburger, whatever you say, right? Sorry, or this one, right? And you can see over here that dotted line, and then you can see over here multiple different services. It's slightly complicated. I think in previously it was a little bit more intuitive and all those things, but now they have made it as okay. I think it's copied from Google and GCP, I believe. So pick up whichever the services or whichever is the domain that you're interested in. You have analytics, you have application integration, blockchain, all those things. And I'm interested in storage now. Click on storage, and I can see inside storage there are multiple different storage services available. EFS, FSX, S3 Glacier, and all those things, right? So we are interested in S3. So the moment I make a click on S3, now what you need to understand, see over here, S3 is created inside Mumbai region. Yeah, and I created one bucket. Think about this is my bucket, and I can upload files. So basically, what I've done is I've uploaded files over here. So if I go to seller catalog, clean and dirty, I think I created. Did I create two clean? Oh yeah, I think I goofed up a little. I'll cleanse it anyways. So clean is there. And the next one, what I have is, let me just look for dirty one. I would have already created. Okay. So as simple as that. How do I do it? I just do an upload. I go all folders, and then that's a clean one. I'm going to go inside and then create a dirty. And I think that's the reason it picked up the entire thing. Upload and upload, right? And then I scroll down and upload. That is taking up some time and creating all the uploads over here. Yeah. So all the files that are sitting inside my system is being uploaded into my S3 bucket. Right, that's done. So that's about S3 at a glance, how exactly it looks like. But S3 itself is like close to a 5 hour session. A massive amount of features available in S3, but at a very, very high level to understand, okay, this is what the functionality, as simple as that. Now, if I wanted to see this file, the moment I click on it, that's where you need to see. So the moment I click on it, I can see over here all the features available for that file is ready with you. So these are the ARN, Amazon resource name. That's what ARN stands for. This is how exactly you're going to access it through programmatically. Now this, there is a little bit of a concept that you need to know about S3 over here. So if I copy this, if I take it up, put it in a public URL, you will see, yeah, see over here, there's access denied. So by default, no information from an S3 bucket is being provided outside. So for preventing it from happening, or if you wanted to get an access, there are some configuration setting, some changes that you need to do so that you can get those access in, right, which we'll see it in another session.